Morning all, I hope you're all well and everything's good with you. It's a lovely spring morning. It's a tad chilly out there, but it's fine. It's still early in the year. Anyway, I thought I'd give you an update. I think the way things are going, this may be the only way you'll see me this year. As you may know, I'm waiting to have my hip replacement done again for the sixth time, I think it will be. Still not got a date through that. I was hoping that it would have been, January, February. Then we could have been, healed up and ready to go for the start of the camping season. But, hey, that's not going to happen because, the first campsite opened, the first campsite that are my sort of regular ones, Tom's Field, they opened on Saturday, I think it was. I was hoping to get down there, but to be honest, I struggled just to ride to the shops before I end up in a lot of pain. I did increase my medication at one point. My nerve blockers, gabapentin, I increased them to 9, but, they don't seem to have made any difference either. And of course we got the ongoing problem with my neck and my myelopathy, but I went a couple of weeks ago. No, it must be a month because I've got an appointment coming up this coming week. I went a month ago to see one of the more senior blokes, and they say until I get my hip done, nobody can really tell what pain's coming from where and what's being caused by what. So that's not good, but as I say, it is what it is. At this rate, we won't be able to get out anywhere before the summer. As I say, I've not even got a date for my hip yet, which isn't good. But I got a date. Well, no, I didn't get a date through. I got an email message through from them to say your operation's cancelled. I never even had it in the first place. I think, to be honest, that's just them trying to keep their lists so it doesn't look as if, you've been on there too long. It's like ticking boxes as far as they're concerned. So, but we'll live in hope and see what happens there. What else is... Don't think there's really too much that's happened. With all this downtime and being at home, I've been updating some of my posts on my website, and I think I was doing my when I cycled up to John O Groats. That was before I'd done any filming. Can't believe how many days it took me. I think it was only about 4 or 5 and I was there. I'd like to be able to do that now, but we can't at the moment. Every day I go out on my bike and starts good. I get half a mile, maybe it is, to the seafront and get there and think, this is good. I'm going to go home and pack and go away. By the time I've turned around and got back home, I'm in too much pain again. And, as much as I like to think I can go away, I really can't. To be honest, it's a bit of a struggle just being at home, let alone having to cope with getting in and out of the tent and, everything that goes along with that, really. I can't remember whether I mentioned at Christmas when I went on the last sort of update. I probably didn't. My Speedo trip computer, whatever you wish to call it, it's nearly on 10,000 miles, which will mean I've cycled 70,000 miles in total. So Well, one of the reasons why I didn't go back out at Christmas on my bike, I can't remember whether I mentioned this or not. Perhaps I should have looked to see what I said. But anyway, one of the reasons I didn't, because I didn't want it to turn over to the 10,000 mark and the 70,000 mark, just bimbling around. I'd have rather done it when we was away. But when because I'm a bit nerdish, geeky, I suppose, I keep a tally of how many miles I do each year, and on the actual mileage, I'm over 70,000 now. Anyway, it's just on it's because batteries failing or running out. It's all got out of sync with the actual mileage. So yeah, well, at least we've done 70,000. I would still like to do the sort of physical going over another 10,000 on the bike, hopefully before the end of the year. Oh, of course, my passport runs out in, I think it's June. Beginning to wonder whether that's worth renewing the way things are going. I thought last year was bad because we never managed to get away. Well, not over seas last year. Blimey, this year's looking as if we won't even get out of the blooming town. I can't think of anything else to say. No doubt as soon as I turn you off, there'll be loads that spring to mind, but at the moment I can't think of any. So, I shall probably do these on a monthly basis at the moment, because I say, even if I had my hip operated on tomorrow, it would be another 6 weeks before I was allowed back on the bike. So, yeah, you could be seeing a few more of these over the coming weeks and months. Anyway, I shall speak to you all soon. Goodbye.